Welcome back to project series for MBA, BBM, PGDM students. In this session, I'm going to discuss top business analytics project. So I'll be giving an idea about top business analytics. If you want any support, you can directly mail me. My mail ID is already given at the description box. It's already available. You can directly contact me. So moving on to the discussion, what are the important and trending business analytics project. So let me give an idea about that. Definitely you can implement without any investment. Okay. So let me get started. Number one, COVID-19 impact on stock market or sales. What exactly you are supposed to do? What you can do is, so kindly download like pre-COVID and post-COVID data on sales, then stock prices from any one of the secondary sources. You can use either Kaggle or Yahoo Finance. You will be getting entire information. Kindly download and make it ready. So can you prepare the Excel sheet and how to execute? Compare the trends with the simple Excel pivot tables before and after COVID. You can directly analyze. Okay. So prepare the line chart or any other Python code you can develop. If you want any support for developing the Python code, I can do it. I can support you. You can directly contact me. Then outcome show how COVID changed customer behavior or stock volatility. So you can make a comparison before COVID and after COVID. What about the statistics of sales? What about the stock prices? Everything you can. What about the trends? So any one of the method you can adopt. Okay, and you can make a suitable inference about this. Okay, even you can find out any central tendency and you can easily analyze it. Okay, so this is actually one of the useful project, so which will be really helpful. Okay, so moving on to the further discussion. Second topic I would like to suggest you. Number one, Instagram ads on ROI dashboard. Here, what exactly you're supposed to do? Collect a mock data on spend, reach, clicks, and conversation from the small business. Because nowadays, most of the small business unit, they are mainly depending on Insta ads, right? So what about the CTR rate? What about the how many clicks are happening? And what about the reach? All the trending, you can get the information. How to execute? Build a dashboard in Power BI or Google Data Studio showing ROI for each campaign. Then students present a live visual ad ROI report. So that is actually you can make it. So in this project also, I can support you. You can directly reach me. Definitely, I can make a beautiful report and based on your requirement. Then loan default risk analysis. Now, like bankers are suffering a lot regarding identify the defaulters and how to resolve the issues. So use open bank data sets. Kaggle, you can loan prediction data. Open data you can check out. Then analyze which customer profiles are most likely to default using a decision tree or Excel filters. And risk scoring system, whether bankers are in confusion whether we can give the loan for a particular customer or not. That issue can be identified. Moreover, how to defaulters to check when that loan will be cleared. Those issues are one of the major headache for bankers. Bankers are suffering a lot. So this project, if you do that, definitely this will be helpful for the bankers to get and to recollect amount from the defaulters. Even another important topic is Netflix content analytics. Genre attracts more viewers. Why it is more trending? Because nowadays most of the people are depending on OTT platform. OTT data analytics is a booming area and relatable for students. So what exactly you are supposed to do? Use the Netflix dataset directly available in the secondary sources. You can depend on Kaggle. Analyze the movie or series data genre uh, like uh, uh, generate country, release year, and rating using the Excel or Power BI. Excel will be pretty simple. If you know the Power BI, that is well and good. Identify which genre are most popular in trends over the time. Drama and thriller shows dominate after 2020. Then what are the outcome? Interactive dashboard showing most watched genre and top countries producing the Netflix originals. And this can be recommended for the OTT platform. If they like your project, definitely they may directly contact you, right? The insights on viewer preferences and guidance on the content strategy. So directly you can make it. It is not a big issue. If you want to, if you want to me to elaborate, I will do it. You can directly reach me. Then fifth one is customer review analytics. for food delivery apps, especially Zomato versus Swiggy. You can make a suitable comparison by using this analytics. Why it is trending? Because online food delivery, now customer experience analytics are hot topics right nowadays, because most of the people in cities are depending on online food delivery, especially Swiggy, Zomato. Nowadays, there are so many applications. What exactly you're supposed to do? Collect around 200 customer review from the Google Play Store or use data sets from Kaggle. Use sentiment analytics tool. For example, you can use Monkey Learn or Excel text analytics or Python libraries like Text Blob. Compare which app is higher positive feedback and which issue of a customer mentioned the most. That you can suggest, because we may have a confusion whether should I go for either Swiggy or Zomato. That problem can be solved. A clear comparison chart, like insights like Swiggy users complain about delivery delay 30% more than Zomato users. What about the return policy? And what about like any compensation policy? Those things also you can highlight. Recommendation section on improving the customer satisfaction, because customer is the king of the business. So this project also I can make it for I can support you. And if you want any support, you can directly mail me. So let us have a email conversation. So my mail ID is already available in the description box. So if you have any further queries, directly reach me. This is my mail ID. Kindly subscribe our channel for getting the similar kind of video. You can like this video if you found it is useful. Kindly share the video with the stakeholder, those who are like planning to do the projects, those who wanted to do the projects. Also give the valuable comments for the betterment of my presentation, and what really you want, that also you can highlight, so that I can prepare my videos accordingly and let the student community get benefited. That is the major motto of me. Happy learning. I wish you all the very best. Thank you all. Have a great day. Go ahead.